Involution and Evolution by H.P. Blavatsky, read by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. This piece is taken from the Secret Doctrine Volume 1, pages 416 to 417. Involution and Evolution. Theosophical writings spend quite a lot of time on the subject of involution and evolution. Yet in Theosophy, the exploration is not limited to beings on earth, but is expanded to encompass an entire universal evolution. In Theosophy, evolution is seen as an aspect of the fundamental motion of cosmos, but an aspect that is always paired with its twin, involution. The general idea is first that everything is alive, that the entire universe is a vast living entity, and second, that the entire whole is thus experiencing a grand process of evolution. This is seen to operate like a great breath, an outbreathing into material form and an inbreathing back into essential spirit. We can also envision this as the one becoming the many, and then re-becoming the one. The evolution aspect is the process of developing material forms or bodies, while the involution aspect is the process of rising back into spirit. Some have called this the movement from homogeneous to heterogeneous and back to homogeneous. Evolution and involution thus follow one another in a cyclical process, evoluting outwards into matter, returning or involuting inwards into spirit, evoluting back into matter, involuting inwards again, and so on. Thus, evolution is seen as a process of recurring day and night, waking and sleeping, birth and death, and Theosophy sees this process everywhere in nature, whether the evolution be of humanity, of animals and vegetation, or of entire worlds, solar systems, galaxies and beyond. The one process, like a great breath, is found everywhere, and thus everywhere there is evolution. The Theosophical perspective on Darwinian evolution is not that it is wrong, but only that it is restricted, examining only one portion of the whole process. Theosophists agree with many of the details of Darwin's theories, and in no way deny the process of adaptation, survival of the fittest, etc. But we can expand the vision beyond the purely physical glimpse to a larger, beautiful and divine process occurring everywhere throughout eternal duration. The whole of antiquity was imbued with that philosophy which teaches the involution of spirit into matter, the progressive downward cyclic descent or active self-conscious evolution. One and all, they allegorized and explained the fall as a desire to learn and acquire knowledge, to know. This is the natural sequence of mental evolution, the spirit becoming transmuted into the material or physical. The same law of descent into materiality and reascent into spirituality asserted itself during the Christian era, the reaction having stopped only just now in our own era.